We're walking in this door is the lunchroom. We go into the lunchroom first. And we walk right into our little lunchroom. You can see we got the antique old red phone, coin operated, on the wall. You kind of walk through here. The lunchroom. Everything is a round corner. See, all nice tile floor. Then you kind of walk in here, see our nice sink in the lunchroom. And then this is where we hang out, have beers and stuff, the old wood burning stove. Then you kind of turn over here, we got washer, dryers, and cabinets. And here's the bathroom. Got a nice round shower. All tile floors. Mirrors everywhere. If you're in there getting dressed for a movie or something, you can see me getting myself. And then here's a little phone. It's an antique. And here's this, all handmade cabinets, pine, all pine cabinets, stand put in, all really nice. Round, everything round edges. And we got all the nice pine cabinets in here, and we do our thing in here. This is called the lunchroom. Then you go in from the lunchroom after a few beers into the studio room. This is Stan's studio room before you get into the main area. Got all of our little things on the wall. A really nice place, clean as a tack. And here you can look out our window from the studio room into the projection room. Got all the keyboard material, quite a few $1,000s worth of computer stuff. And got our projection screens and all of our little goodies. It's a beautiful little room. And as you walk out of our projection room, we go into the studio room. There's Stan's Corvette parked in here. It's big enough we can get a couple of 3 Corvettes in here. All the lights, as you can see, are studio lights. And back in there is the lounge. So we got a little lounge where we sit around and drink beers. And here's our studio room in here. As you can see, that's a monster mirror. This mirror here is for so you can watch yourself when you're doing your acting. And we got all the studio lights up here. Any kind of lights you can think. And that door there opens up automatically so you can drive in or out. And this is looking in from this view. All nice cabs we made. There's some of our projection stuff that we got our screens here, cameras on a mobile unit here called Tri. We make these things ourselves. And it's funny. I'm just going to show you this one big wall there is huge. That's our projection wall where we want to watch anything you want. We got a projection screen that shoots you 7x14 movies, this, that, everything. This is the lounge. We got the wood burning stove. So it heats it up like a band. And actually the inner put in the ice chest in there. That's where all of our beers are and all the good stuff. And then Stan's got his little sculpture up here. It's a fish made out of different car parts. Cool looking little fish. Supposed to be a fish. And from this angle, you can see all of our studio lights. And we got enough of them in here up on the roof. We even got a cable up there you can slide across here if you want to, like you're flying. That big cable, that big bar up there will slide you across this room like a bandit. Kind of cool. So there's me filming myself in the mirror. And anyway, there's just a couple quick shots of our projects in our room that we'll be making some good money out here pretty soon. Just another shot of the bear.
I heard a rumor yesterday, and I know it's true. All the things they've been saying about you. Oh, they say you're gonna leave me. Oh no, and it won't be too long. I heard a rumor yesterday, and I know it's true. All the things they've been saying, baby, they've been saying about you. Oh, they say you're gonna hurt me so good. Oh no, and it won't be too long. It won't be too long till you break my heart. When you gonna come tell